You know what kills more dreams than failure? Procrastination. Not doing the wrong thing. Just doing nothing. I'll start tomorrow becomes maybe next week. And then it's gone. Your time, your energy, your shot. But what if there was a simple system to break the cycle? Something that's not only effective but grounded in ancient wisdom from the Stoics themselves. Procrastination is not laziness. It's emotional resistance. Fear, doubt, overwhelm. You avoid the task. Not because you can't do it, but because your brain wants comfort more than progress. The Stoic Emperor Marcus Aurelius wrote, "If it is not right, do not do it. If it is not true, do not say it." And yet, we know what's right for us, and we still delay it. That's not logic. That's a lack of control over our own minds. We let our feelings dictate our actions, when it should be the other way around. Here's where the Pomodoro method becomes a weapon against that emotional resistance. It's deceptively simple. You work with intense focus for 25 minutes, then you take a 5-minute break. After you repeat this 4 times, you take a longer break of 15 to 30 minutes. That's it. It's not magic. It's momentum. It tricks your brain into starting by lowering the barrier to entry. There's no pressure to finish a massive project, just start for 25 minutes. Anyone can do 25 minutes. That single, manageable block of time is enough to overcome the initial inertia and prove to yourself that you can begin. Now, here's where it gets deeper. The ancient Stoics, Marcus Aurelius, Seneca, Epictetus, didn't use timers. But they lived by the same core mindset: present focus, daily discipline, and emotional mastery. Marcus Aurelius reminds us, you have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength. That's exactly what the Pomodoro Technique teaches you in practice. It's a training ground to act, despite distraction, to control the impulse, to delay, and to master your time by first mastering yourself. Each 25-minute session is a victory over the part of you that wants to drift and delay. So here's what I want you to do. Today, not tomorrow, not next week. Pick one single task you've been avoiding. Just one. Set a 25-minute timer on your phone. Eliminate all distractions. Put your phone on silent. Close unnecessary tabs. And tell people not to disturb you. For those 25 minutes, go all in. Give it your undivided attention. Then, when the timer goes off, reward yourself with a 5-minute break. Stretch, get some water, look out the window. That's it. No excuses. No waiting for motivation to strike like lightning, just one Pomodoro. Discipline is doing what you said you'd do, even when you don't feel like it. That is what builds confidence. That is what builds greatness. The Stoic philosopher Epictetus said, "Don't explain your philosophy. Embody it." You don't need to believe in motivation. You need to believe in action. One 25-minute session of focused work is infinitely more powerful than 5 hours of guilt-ridden, distracted procrastination. It's about building a system that doesn't rely on how you feel. Right now in the comments, tell me, what task are you going to crush with your first Pomodoro? Write it. Say it. Do it. Comment below. I will Pomodoro your task. By declaring it, you're making a commitment to yourself. If this idea resonates with you, subscribe for more Stoic-based motivation, and share this video with someone who's stuck in the loop of delay. Remember, you're not lazy. You're just distracted. Let this be the day you took control.